That's the way I go. Through the wind and rain, I will rise again. Every sunrise brings a chance. Life is more than circumstance. Though the road is long, hope keeps me strong. Holding on to hope, that's the way I go. Through the wind and rain, I will rise again. That's the way I go. Through the wind and rain, I will rise again. Holding on to hope, that's the way I go. Through the wind and rain, I will rise again. Upon my face, thankful for another day. Every heartbeat tells me now, life is here somehow. I've been down, I've been low, still I've found a way to grow. Every breath is a blessing. Every step keeps me believing. Through the tears, through the pain, I will smile again. The road was never smooth for me, but it taught me to believe. Now I walk with open eyes, thankful for this life. Every breath is a blessing. Every step keeps me believing. Thunder roll across my way, tried to steal my yesterday. Broken roads beneath my feet, still my heart refused defeat. Every wave came crashing in, but I never gave in. The storm didn't win. I'm stronger within. Every fall I survive. That's why I'm alive. Rain may wash the dust away, but not the dreams inside my soul. Every scar became my flame. I will never be the same. The storm didn't win. I'm stronger within. Every fall I survive. That's why I'm alive. The storm didn't win. I'm stronger within. Every fall I survive. That's why I'm alive. The storm is gone. I'm moving on. The morning came without a sound. No friendly face was hanging around. I walked alone beneath the sky, still too strong to say goodbye. The road was cold beneath my feet, but I refused to taste defeat. When the world turned away, I found my own way. Through the night, through the pain, I stood up once again. Broken dreams, a heavy load. Still I walked my lonely road. Little faith was all I had. Turn the worst into the best. When the world turned away, I found my own way. Through the night, through the pain, I stood up once again. I'm still here, still standing. When the world turned away, I found my own way. Through the night, through the pain, I stood up once again. I'm still here. Life kept knocking at my door, harder than the days before. Every battle left its mark. Still I carried on the spark. I bent but never broke. That's the promise that I wrote. Still standing against life through the struggle.